Welcome back to the channel, everyone. What another few crazy days it's been. Yeah, yet another all-time high for Bitcoin. Who saw that coming? I didn't. I never expected us to go this high this year. I thought we would see bigger movements around next year. I still think that will happen. Other than that, I've also found a few updates regarding Luna and yet another more bullish news for 2025 overall. Yeah, let's get into the video. Once more, before I do that, don't copy everything I do blindly. And if you can, please leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, we're over 170 subscribers as of now, so absolutely insane. We keep growing faster and faster. So yeah, thank you all for that. And let's get into the video. So very quickly before I get into the rest of the video, on the last video I was supposed to show my personal Discord. I figured I'd show it now because I absolutely forgot with all the excitement of launching it and promoting it a little bit, talking about it. I forgot to include it in the actual video. So yeah, I just wanted to run by it really quickly. So I have daily crypto news funneling into it. Stuff I personally look at. Watcher Guru, I think, is a very well-known name. Loads of other news. FTX allow bankruptcy payouts, whatever. I have some morning market news. I post my own platforms that I use, from TradingView to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, liquidation data, Bitcoin sentiment. Uh, Obviously, the investor chat with a picture I saw, which I thought was funny. But yeah, I talk about what I do. I talk about my own spot buys, my long-term plans, some portfolio holdings, some premium questions. Members get to ask me personally, one-on-one. Uh, Either if they want to know something, if they need something explained, whatever, you can ask me anything. I also have trading data being sent, live signals. For now, they've been very well. I don't believe in blindly following these signals, but I always trade according to what other traders think, because there's power in numbers. The more traders that think something goes up, it will go up, and go down, vice versa. But in a bull market, I trade bullish trades only. But yeah, this is one of the things we could talk about if you want to. So that's basically my Discord in short, and I will get into the rest of the video now. Also, one more thing shortly. If you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description below. Feel free to give it a try, and if not, also absolutely fine. Let's get into the video. So here we are at CoinMarketCap. The global crypto market cap, 3.77 trillion, an increase, of course, yet again. Bitcoin's price itself at 106,000. The Fear and Greed Index back up. The altcoin season index is down, which was to be expected because Bitcoin's rallying again. So with the little dip we already had, it pushed it further down. Uh, I think personally, yeah, we could see some pumps, but I think the bigger altcoin market, which we're all waiting for, I think it's likely to happen next year. I mean, I've said next year more often, but I think it's highly likely. December volume tends to die down. That's not saying it can't happen, but I will be looking for buying opportunities. Maybe take some profit on Bitcoin if we go further up, but I think there's a lot of that already going around. But I think in general, 2025 for crypto will be super positive, including Bitcoin. So I have no problem holding it and just not doing anything for a little bit. Uh, I will be looking at buying altcoins though, because yeah, with the dip on the alts, I think there's some nice buying opportunities. Luna being one of them. So I just wanted to go through some news articles really quickly, like the SAC's chair Gensler resignation open doors for ETF issuers. I agree. More ETFs, more better, more money, more capital flowing into these crypto markets. Uh, And yeah, with appointing someone who is pro crypto, logically would make it easier for money to flow into crypto. So yeah, this kind of aligns with what I'm thinking for 2025. Strike CEO, so Strike is a payment provider platform, so they have big money in this, eyeing Bitcoin, a US Bitcoin reserve on day one via executive order. Well, is it true? Who knows? It could be, it could not be, but once again, very positive news. I know there's people looking at Dollar Stabilization Act. Well, everybody knows that well, not everybody, I guess, but most people know that fiat currencies have been under a lot of pressure. Euro is down tremendously over the years. Dollar is down in general. Crypto keeps going up. Gold keeps going up. And the dollar, I won't say it's in a free fall because it's not, but yeah, it's struggling. And especially with all these the BRICS countries and other countries trying to figure out a way to avoid using the dollar completely. Yeah, the time for action is now. If for the U.S. government basically. So will this happen? I don't know, but I wouldn't be surprised if it does. And with the scarcity of Bitcoin increasing, this once again will drive up the price, especially if all these things, like I have a few more articles. If all the articles we read, if half of them come true, it's still a massive push up for crypto in general. So crypto institutional trends will gain momentum in 2025. Next year, as institutions, well, this is true. Like we see more and more companies and institutions voting on it, talking about it, adding it, ETFs moving in. So yeah, with this and the derivative project products like and ETFs, and yeah, a lot of them don't offer the actual Bitcoin but CFDs, but they will need to back their ETF with actual Bitcoin, or at least hold the token itself. There has to be money into it. So this will inevitably push the crypto market cap further up. It's logical, really. And I think we will see massive dips on the way. This will not be a straight shot up, or at least not tremendously like up to new levels yet. But I think for sure there's a sentiment has been set. And yeah, onwards to Luna Classic. Luna Classic has been trapped within a descending triangle. Well, Luna, of course, it's also very heavily news related. Like the things that happened in the past has torpedoed the economy, the ecosystem of this crypto of this coin. But as I said in the last video, I think they're doing the work to recover from this. They have been doing it. It broke their resistance, their massive resistance level, and with them, this is a bit of an older article, but the white paper being released with their actual plan and viable plan of repegging USDC, making Luna Classic great again. The team of developers is very into it. Yeah, as I said in my first video, I think it's an educated gamble, but I think it's looking more and more like this could actually do well. So they have collateral market maker, capital flow control mechanisms, mint mechanism for a reboot, and economic theory and stabilization. The most important part being the stabilization and not immediately torpedoing their new token or their new situation. So by using a diversified basket of yield-bearing assets as collateral, I mean, it's possible. I've seen stranger things happen. I think it could do well. I initially bought a small portion just on the off chance, but considering most of all the altcoins have pushed up, not as much as we want to, but we are all looking for these gems, these long term holds, which will do extremely well. Well, the bigger altcoins have had these thousands of percent increase, and yeah, I think Luna Classic is still one that could do fairly well over the longer term, and I intend to hold long term. So yeah, it's a relatively low cost for me to buy now and just hold it, or maybe buy a little bit more over time without spending too much, but also increasing my overall amount. So this is the latest news I found out. Terra Luna Classic nears key proposal approval before v3.3.0 upgrade. This also includes updating their coin market cap, and basically it will mean adding the new information, new dashboard. The update itself is to improve tax handling and provide more utility for Terra Luna Classic, and also reduce development barriers. So easier onboarding, easier for tax purposes, easier for money to flow into it. So this could do very well. And yeah, considering this has not pushed as big as the other altcoins have yet, I think there's definitely room to grow. And if they manage to repeg USDC, yeah, I had a little glitch in my imagery there. But as I mentioned, I think Terra Classic is on the right path. And I think the support for it is still huge. A lot of people still invested into it. And yeah, if they manage to do it, then all for them. And I've bought some, and I'm definitely thinking about buying some more. In general, I intend to buy more around the end of December, because I think we will see bigger dips than we have now. I mean, Bitcoin's pushing up, but obviously the volume from the alts is flowing back to Bitcoin. So I think people will start taking profits. I think we will see some bigger dips around either December or January. I think that will present us with some nice buying opportunities. So yeah, I'm definitely eyeing some buys or holding, but yeah, I don't think the time for taking profits is now. But let me know what you guys think. If you have any other opinion, any other stuff I might have missed, anything you think is important to talk about, yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to join the Discord, feel free to click the link here below. If not, also fine. And I'll see you on the next one.